Indian Ocean Earthquake and Tsunami by Kezia. Basic knowledge about the earthquake. Date and time of the earthquake. The earthquake was on 26 December, 58 minutes and 53 seconds after midnight on the Greenwich Mean Time. The local times are 7:58 in the GMT plus 7 and 8:58 in the GMT plus 8. Where the epicenter of the earthquake was at, in relative and absolute location. The epicenter was off the west coast of northern Sumatra, Indonesia, and the latitude was 3.3 degrees north and 95.8 degrees east. The type and magnitude of the earthquake. The type was an undersea megathrust earthquake, and the magnitude was 9.1 to 9.3 MW. Here are some before and after pictures with the summaries. Aceh was one of the several provinces that got hit by the disaster. In photo 1, the place looks very clean, very healthy, very green, very colorful, and very beautiful. It looks populated, and on the background of the photo, the world looks round. In photo 2, we can see that the city is very populated, very healthy, very clean, very beautiful, and very colorful. And the water all around it is very clean and blue. In the first after photo, the city looks destroyed, dirty, messy, and scrapes are all over the place. In the second after photo, the city looks destroyed, dirty, messy, scrapes are everywhere, and it's flooded. Many parts of the islands were sinked, and dirty water were all over the island. An estimated amount of 230,000 people died from the earthquake and tsunami, and nearly 2 million were displaced. The destruction was very great. What can we do to help? First, we need to know what they needed. They needed homes, food, water, healthcare, rebuilding, and much more, like clothing. You now may ask, what can we do to help them? Here is a list of things that you can do. Volunteer. Go to the island or country. Donate your clothes, donate money to help an organization. And give support. Give posters, like anything. And also pray. Also, what if something like this happens to you in the future? Prepare an emergency kit that includes things like food and water. Check for warnings, save your memories in case of evacuation, and much more depending on which disaster you need to prepare for. This is an animation of how far the tsunami went. I am going to compare the Indian Ocean tsunami with the Japan tsunami. The Indian Ocean tsunami had a 9.1 magnitude earthquake, while the Japan tsunami had a 9.0 magnitude earthquake. The Indian Ocean tsunami had a 50-meter tall tsunami wave, and the Japan tsunami had a 10-meter tall tsunami wave. The Indian Ocean tsunami lost $10 billion due to damages, while the Japan tsunami lost $235 billion due to damages. Around 230,000 people had died during the Indian Ocean tsunami, while around 18,000 people died during the Japan tsunami. Here are the sources. This is made by Kezia. Thank you for watching and listening.